Long press the power button to turn it on. Put warm-up time 60 seconds. Enter the detection interface. Press the menu key. Incoming gas curve. Press the menu key to enter the password 51. Enter the menu interface. Menu includes zero calibration, concentration calibration, factory resume, data logging, alarm settings, system settings, unit settings, other settings, information. Select zero calibration. Press OK. Can be calibrated. Concentration calibration. Set the first level alarm value to the standard gas value, then pass in the standard air. Calibration can be selected when the value tends to stabilize. Calibration. System factory restored. You can choose to restore the concentration, restore the alarm, or restore it all. Data logging. Data can be queried. Prompt to open storage. Return to the menu. Enter system settings. Storage settings. Open storage. Alarm settings. Alarm mode. Sound vibration. System settings. Scope of testing. Date and time. Honesty. The mailing address can be set from 00 to 25. Baud rate selection 9600. Trigger time. Change the next new password. Unit setting. Switch between Chinese and English. Gas name or molecular formula. System information. Sensor information. Calibration information.